In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a light text effect in Canva. This fun and visually striking effect will add a touch of style and flair to your designs, making your text stand out beautifully. So let's jump right into it and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. If you're new to Canva, you can find it easily by going to their website and signing up for an account. But for most of you, just log in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard, which may look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Now, create a new design. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button you'll typically find on the top right corner of the homepage. Choose a template size that fits the project you're working on, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or something else entirely. For this tutorial, any size will work, so pick one that suits your needs. With your blank canvas in front of you, head over to the left toolbar and click on Text. You'll find various text options, but for today, we're going to add a heading. You'll see your inserted text box on the canvas. This is where the magic begins. Type in the words you want to transform with this light effect. Next, you'll want to duplicate your text. You can do this easily by selecting your text box and using the copy and paste function, or by simply using a shortcut on your keyboard, CMD+D on a Mac, or Ctrl+D on a Windows PC. Now you'll have two sets of the same text sitting one on top of the other. With both text layers ready, it's time to focus on the bottom layer. Select the bottom text and look for the Effect button on the top toolbar. This will bring up a range of special effects you can apply. Among these, you'll find Glow. Click on it and you'll notice an added glow around your text. The next step involves playing with the intensity and settings of the glow. This is where you get to be a bit more artistic and personalize your effect. Adjust the intensity sliders until you get a nice, soft glow that complements your design. Finally, change the color of that bottom text layer to a lighter color to really make the glow pop. Think pastel shades like light blue or soft pink, as these often work well for a light text effect. You'll see how the lighter color combined with the glow gives your text that beautiful, luminous appearance. So there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've learned how to create a captivating light text effect in Canva. Experiment with different colors and glow settings to make it your own. Thanks for watching and happy designing.